Hello students, we continue this topic area related to circles. This is part 5. Here question is find the area of the shaded region in figure if PQ equal to 24. Look here, this is a diagram is given to us, and here the shaded region means this is the shaded region. Okay, this portion is a shaded region. All you understand this? Now here PQ is 24 centimeter. PQ means this is 24 centimeter. Okay, and PR is 7. PR is here 7 centimeter. Look here, and here this is a look here. ROQ is a diameter. O is a center, so we can write here ROQ is a diameter. Diameter means we can say that this RPQ is a semicircle. Okay, and here first of all look here, this we know that in semicircle angles are right, so we can say this angle QPR, angle QPR equal to 90 degree. Now this is a right triangle, so we can take right triangle QPR. Here we can say perpendicular is 24 centimeter, base equal to 7 centimeter, and hypotenuse we have to find. And we know that hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular plus base square. Perpendicular is here, look here, perpendicular is 24 centimeter and base is 7 centimeter, and square we have to do here. Here we will take the square root, so we will get here hypotenuse equal to root of 576 centimeter square and 49 centimeter square. These we add, we get root of 625 centimeter square. So what we get hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is root of this, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, here this you can check in diagram. This is hypotenuse, so RQ equal to 25 centimeter we get. Now if we have to find the radius, so what we get radius is RQ upon 2 means 25 upon 2 centimeter. This we get the radius. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, this is equal to area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle QPR. All of you check this diagram. Here this shaded region we have to find, and here this is a semicircle, and from the semicircle if I remove the triangle, the remaining portion is the shaded region. So it is a very simple. Okay, so area of semicircle, semicircle means half of circle. So area of circle we have pi r square, so we do half pi r square. And area of triangle, here triangle you can check, this is a right triangle, so we can write here this is base into height. Okay, now half pi we will take here 22 by 7, and r is here 25 upon 2 into this r square means we write 2 times 25 by 2, 25 by 2, and 1 upon 2 base we can take 7 centimeter, and height we take 24 centimeter. Whole these we can write centimeter square. Now these we can cancel these 2 and this 22 we can cancel, 11 we get 2, and 24 we can cancel, we get 12. And now we will multiply all these 25 into 25, 625 we multiply by 11, we get here 6875, and 2 to the 4 7 ja 28, so 28 upon we have, and 12 8 is 84, so we get these. Now we take LCM is here 28 and 6875 minus 84 and 28 we multiply, we will get here 2352, and these we subtract, we get here 4523 upon 28 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region. So answer we can write area of shaded region equal to 4523 upon 28 centimeter square. All we understand, this is a very simple and very important question. You will do practice for this. Look at this question. Find the area of the shaded region in this diagram if radii of the two concentric circles with a center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively, and angle AOC equal to 40 degree. So look here, we can understand this here, angle AOC, this is given to us 40 degree. This is 40 degree, this angle is 40 degree, and the 7 centimeter, the inner radius is 7 centimeter and this outer radius is 14 centimeter. This is given in question and we have to find the area of shaded region. This portion is shaded region. Now look here, we should know, actually this is a ring, so we know that area of sector ring, and this is equal to pi r outer square minus r inner square. This is the area of the ring, pi r outer square minus r inner square, and you will take the theta upon 360, means total angle is 360. From that you will take theta, and here pi, place of pi we will put here 22/7, and r here, r outer is 14 centimeter, r inner is 7 centimeter, and theta is equal to 40, theta equal to 40 degree. So these all value we will put here. We will get here, look at r outer is 14 centimeter minus r inner is 7 centimeter, and theta is here 40 upon 360. Okay, so we get here 22/7 bracket 14 centimeter whole square minus 7 centimeter whole square and 40 upon 360, we get 22/7. Now we can do 14 square is 196, and 7 7 ja 49, and 4 9 ja 36, 1 upon 9 centimeter square we can take outside. Look here, we will subtract this, we will get here 147 and into 1 upon 9, and this we can cancel 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7, we can cancel by 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 7 ja 21. These we multiply, we get 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So all we understand, this is the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to 154 upon 3 centimeter square. From each corner of a square of a side 4 centimeter, look here, this is a square and each side is a 4 centimeter, this is a 4 centimeter, and a quadrant of a circle of radius 4 centimeter is cut. So from these here 1 centimeter, radius is 1 centimeter, and we cut quadrant from each corners. Okay, and here the circle diameter 2 centimeter is cut. Look here, diameter here 2, diameter is 2 centimeter, one circle is also cut. Find the area of remaining portion. So this is the remaining portion and we have to find this area. So look here what we have, first we have a square. Okay, square side is given to us 4 centimeter. Second things, 4 quadrants we have, and quadrants radius is 1 centimeter is given, and one circle we have, and circle radius is 2 centimeter diameter, so radius is here also 1 centimeter. We can write here r. Why? Because both is equal. Second, look here, we can check here area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region, we can write area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant minus area of circle. Okay, area of square we know, side into side, means side square. 4 area of quadrant 1 upon 4 pi r square we can write. Area of circle is pi r square. Fourth part means 1 upon 4 pi r square. Now minus area of circles. Area of circle we know pi r square. Look here. Here 4 and 4 we can cancel. Side we know 4 centimeters. So we can write here 4 centimeter whole square. R is 22. Pi is here 22 by 7. We can write into r square is 1 into 1. Minus pi is again 22 by 7 into 1 into 1. This we get centimeter square. Now 4 4s are 16 we get here, minus we get 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7 and whole these centimeter square we can get. Now look here, we can take LCM. LCM is here 7 and we have to multiply 16 and 7. We get here 112 minus 22 and minus 22. So we have to subtract these 112 minus 44 upon 7 we get, and we will subtract 68 upon 7 centimeter square. And if you want you can divide and you can write, otherwise you can write this answer. You can write area of shaded region equal to 68 upon 7 centimeter square, or we can write 9.71 centimeter square. Look here in this figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. These are left and right ends are as a semicircle. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. So this distance is given to us 60 meter. This distance, okay. Distance between two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. All of you understand this? And they are each 106 meter long. So here these are 106 meter long. Okay, all of you understand? If the track is 10 meter wide, means this width is given to us 10 meter. Okay. Find the distance around the track along its inner edge. Along its inner edge we have to find the distance. Second, we have to find the area of the track. First of all, this is the semicircles. We have two semicircles. Here look here, this is total is 60, means diameter is 60. So we can write radius. Inner radius this will be, and inner radius is 60 upon 2, and this is 30 meter. And outer radius, look here, we have to find the outer radius. And outer radius, look here up to, this is 30 meter and this is 10. This is 10. So we have the outer radius is 40 meter. All of you understand this? Width is 10, 30. We have 40. And this is semicircle. Okay. Now we have two rectangles. What we have here? Two rectangles. And two rectangles. Length is 106 meter. And breadth is here. Breadth will be the width. Width is 10 meter. All of you understand? First we have to find distance around the track along its inner edge. The distance around the track, inner track, and that will be equal to, look here, inner track means first we have this length. Okay. Second we have this semicircle, so we have pi r inner, then again we have length, then again we have pi r. This is the semicircle. Okay, so pi r we will write here. Length and length, that will be double, 2l, and 2 pi r I also we have. 2 length is here 106 meter, and 2 into, look here, 2 pi we have to put 22 by 7, and r inner is here 30. Okay, so this we have to multiply. We will get here 212 plus these we multiply. We have to multiply all these here 1320. Okay, upon 7. Now we'll take LCM. LCM is here 7. Now we multiply 212 into 7, we get here 1484 and 1320 already we have. We will add these two, we get 2804 upon 7 meter. The meter 2804 upon 7 meter we will have. This is the length of the inner track. Second things, we have to find the area of track. For that we will write 2 into area of rectangle and 2 into area of semicircular ring. Now 2 into area of rectangle means length into breadth we have. 2 into semicircular means 1 upon 2 pi. Ring means we have r outer square minus r inner square. All of you understand? So these only we have to write. These 2 and 2 we can cancel. 2 into length is here 106 into breadth is here 10 and plus pi we will write here 22/7 into here r outer is 40, so we can write 40 square and r inner is 30, so we can write 30 square and whole these we can write here meter square. These we multiply, we get here 2120 plus 22/7 into 1600 minus 900 meter square we get 2120 plus 222 upon 7 into 700 we get, this is meter square, we cut, we get 100. So 2120 plus 2200 and we will add these, we will get here 4320 meter square. This is the area of the track. So we can write here area of track equal to 4320 meter square. All of you understand this? This is very simple and very important also.